Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Apple Music not playing songs. So to fix that, first of all you should go to Apple Music, and to know what is the reason why Apple Music is not playing your songs, first of all you should go and check if your internet is working or not. So check if your Wi-Fi or your 4 or 5G is working or not, because this can be the main problem. And the second thing, you should go also and check if your Apple Music is up to date, and to do that you have to go to the Apple Store, and after that go and click on your picture and check your apps. Check if the Apple Music needs update, and if it needs update you should do that update, because sometimes if your app is so outdated maybe the app will not work. And if this also is not working, maybe you should delete the app and install it again. To delete it you have just to long press on it, and after that go to remove app and click on delete app, and after that install the app again. And by doing this, normally the songs will play again on your Apple Music, and there is no problem that will stay. And of course you should check the volume of your phone if the volume is working good, and you should check also the speaker of your phone by opening a video on YouTube or opening something to check if the speaker is working. And normally after you do all this, the Apple Music should be working, come back to work normally without any problem. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.